Alright, just leaving camp this morning. Woke up to a ton of snow, but this was all fresh coming in. There was no lines. Those are my lines going into where I was camping. And fresh powder tracks with this kind of deep snow. At night, it was a little hairy. It was a little freaky, but it was beautiful because it was just coming down the whole entire night. But she did really good. Had to get off the trail up there and track down to the campsite, which is kind of down through those trees. And yeah, beautiful morning. All the trees are covered in snow. I'm right next to Kenosha Pass near Bailey. This is awesome. Is that it? Alright, this is one of the hairier sections on this Stony Pass Road. This is a shelf road. It's all snow packed, full of ice. Got a pretty river down there. Definitely a drop off. It's a little freaky, but the Forest Service paves this road really well. So there's like no snowpack or powder on it. Unlike Wigham Trail that's on Stony Pass. You can see how it wraps around the mountainside. There was a fire here I think like 5 years ago, so all these trees are regrown. Yeah, pretty cool. Definitely a shelf road, but there's not a lot of snow on it. It's all good. It's not that scary. Let's go slow.